Simultaneously, Vishambar, the groom, he is also symbolic. The greedy dowry seeker, the grooms who are not ready to get married without dowry, they are also the characters of the social evils. So Vishambar, after getting the amount 5,000, Ramlal, he was pleading that at this very moment he cannot pay, but he didn't listen. Instead, they were saying, that means the groom's party, they were threatening that if you can't pay, we will take our groom back. They will not marry, he will not marry Boli. So Vishambar also symbolizes the greedy groom of the society. So here K.A. Abbas, he has presented the character of Boli as a symbol of the contemporary society, as the symbol of courage, boldness, and simultaneously as the symbol of an educated girl. Boli educated herself. That is why she could raise her voice, because she could understand the contemporary society, and she could very much understand that it was a social evil and it was a crime, it was a violence taking dowry. That's why she threw the garland. She stood and raised her voice, and she replied that I am not going to marry this greedy person. But Ramlal, being a hapless father of a girl, he was asking Boli that what you will do then? Nobody will marry you. Then Boli replied that don't worry, I will remain spinster throughout my life. I will work for the society. I will educate other girls, those who are like me, as I was in my previous day. I will teach in the same school. I will work as teacher. I will teach in the same school. So Boli, the character of Boli, it is symbolic. This character, that means the heroine, Boli is the heroine. Heroine means not pretty, beautiful, decked up, gorgeous. She is not the heroine. Heroine means hero or heroine. Means the character which regulates the story, novel, fiction, drama. That is called heroine. Boli here is heroine. She regulates the entire story, and the story ends with Boli's courage, ends with Boli's spirit. So, thus K.A. Abbasi has presented the story Boli as the message to the readers, as the message to the society, Indian society. So guys, I hope you could understand and you understood the story. I have told you, narrated the synopsis of the story. You have the book, go through the entire story, read the story thoroughly for 3 times. Find out all the tough meanings, the meanings which you didn't understand. Note down all the words. Find out all the words, the meaning you didn't understand. Find out all the words and note down in your copy and find out the meaning of the word from First you find out the words from the book, then you find out the meanings of those words, note down in your notebook and memorize it. Memorize it and thoroughly you read the chapter. And now I am going to give you some questions based on today's lecture. Question number 1. Note down, guys. Open your notebook. Question number 1. Who was Vishambar? Who was Vishambar? Bishamber. Who was Vishambar? Question mark. What was his background? What was his background? Question 2. How much amount Vishambar demanded from Ramlal as dowry? How much amount Vishambar demanded from Ramlal as dowry? Question 3. What happened when Vishambar was proceeding to garland Bholi? What happened when Vishambar was proceeding to garland Bholi? Question 4. What was Bholi's reply to his father at the end of the story? What was Bholi's reply to his father at the end of the story? And question 5. Portrait the character of Bholi within bracket Sulekha, Sulekha. Bholi's actual name is Sulekha. Portrait the character of Bholi within bracket Sulekha in 100 to 150 words. Portrait, Portrait, portrait the character of Bholi within bracket Sulekha in 100 to 150 words. So guys, this much for the day. Hope you have understood my lecture and the story clearly. First you read the story thoroughly, find out all the words from the glossary, you memorize. Apart from glossary, apart from the word meaning, those are mentioned in your book. Apart from those, find out all the words, note down the meaning, search the meaning, note down, then solve these 5 questions. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.